Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Let Us Be Fearless. My name is Lindsey, this is my friend Jasmine, and she's here to help me do some cooking today. We're gonna be making our buffalo cauliflower bites, and it's something I've made before at different parties, and I think this is a perfect little appetizer for holiday parties this season. And Jasmine, you had my cauliflower bites before. What did you think?
They were good. I feel like they taste like Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Okay, I like that comparison. I really like that. That's a good comparison. And she's been asking me to help her make them. So I'm excited that she's here cooking with me. And we're going to get to cooking now. Let's go. Guys, so we just chopped up the cauliflower, put it in the bowl. We added our flour, almond milk, and our seasonings to make a batter. And so now we're getting ready to heat up our oil and fry these things up, and then we'll get on to the sauce. Let's go. Jasmine, that the interesting about cauliflower is that it is a water-based veggie, so that when you're cooking it, it does spew out as water. And then you want to drain it properly so it still has that crispiness when you're done. Chicken. right, guys, so we're getting ready to try this yumminess. These are our buffalo cauliflower bites. What did you think, Jasmine? How do you think you did?
It was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Definitely. Like, you can use the stuff that you got in your house. Just like Chick-fil-A.
Those are good.
Simple, very easy to make. Most of us have those kind of ingredients in our home right at this moment.
Flour,
milk,
pepper, salt,
seasoning,
garlic powder, buffalo sauce. You just need to get the cauliflower, and there you go.
It was easy. Like, it was easy and it was good. Filling, I'm still a little full right now.
It was good.
And I feel like I was eating some chicken, so
right. And
I
it
didn't
was
miss a
crispy,
beat.
right? It was really good. I think it was good. I think this is probably one of my best batch, and it's probably because Jasmine was over here cooking with me. It looked like real chicken tender. So I'm excited about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I really want you guys to give me some feedback. Let me know what else you want me to cook, any ideas, how you felt about the video. If you tried the recipe, I really would appreciate that. And until next time, thank you.
Bye.